Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Vivo Y51. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here system. After click over system, you need to click here language and import. After click over language and import, you need to click here languages. Now you can see I have English and this is my phone. If I want to add new language, you need to click this plus icon and then it's going to be appear lot of language available. You can easily choose any of them. I would like to choose this Bangla and I would like to make here Bangladesh. Now if I want to set this Bangla language in my phone language, I'm just going to hold it and bring upper side just like this and bring up, and my phone going to be completely change English to Bangla. Now if I go back, you will see my phone I have successfully changed the phone language English to Bangla. Actually, why I did make this, maybe somehow or some cases your phone language has changed and you want to make it English. We all know maximum around the world everybody using their phone in English language. So how you can go there even you don't know that language? For that, obviously you need to find out the setting icon. If I even go swipe up, you can see the gear icon, which is the setting icon. So we're going to click over on it, and after that scroll all the way down. Then you're going to find the first to up one, which is the system. We need to click this system section. This is the icon. So we're going to click here the from down first to second one, as you can see Vivo writing the first one. After click over there, you're going to see there is a language kind of language icon. So we're going to click over on it. And then again we're going to see there is another language icon. We're going to click over on it. Now if English is not available, you can close this plus icon to install English language, or if it's English available, that's fine. For example, I already have English, so I'm bringing this English in the upper side. So in this way you can easily change language in your Vivo Y51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.